When you believe in magic, you see magic. By Maxine Whitfield. When you look at this photo, what do you see? Because when you are veiled, it's a plain green stream. When you release the veils, magic appears. Purple water, fairies come to life, splashed on trees, over the rocks, for you to believe. This world is magical as can be. So much wonder right before your eyes. Only your fears keep you disguised. Doubts cross your mind, you make excuses too. Oh, it's the light of the sun, or it's not real, it's a trick needing to be undone. Yet, the more you realize this is real and not a disguise, you raise your vibration higher than before. Then you can see them with your own eyes. No need for a camera anymore. You can see them moving and talking too. You can even tell them to look at you. I see this every day. New scenes to see that amaze me in all ways. My friends who live with me, frolicking, playing, happy as can be. They are spreading healing, laughter, and joy exponentially. See the magic, it's the reality of life, not the drama, the fears, the strife. Love yourself, love your life. Me loving you all day into the night.